So it's day 6 and we're going to be drawing something very exciting. This is my favorite so far. So we're drawing today a pufferfish. So if you look at the diagram, let's start off with a cross, a vertical and horizontal axis. And then we're going to draw an off circle, which I'm going to be using a red sketch pen for this. So it's going to be off the center and more onto the left. So after that, I'm going to draw another circle which has a bigger left side. I'm just going to make a little more on the left side. This is for the body of the pufferfish. And then after that, we're going to erase some spots around the circle. So I erased the red mark first, and then we're going to erase some spots. That's where we're going to be putting our spikes. So you could put it wherever you want, but here's a guide. We're going to put one on the upper left, another on the upper right. You can make it bigger or smaller, however you want. And then we're going to make a few spikes in the middle. So we could adjust those later if you want. And then we're going to put some in the back. It's like the spikes in the back poking out. So yeah, make all your spikes. So let's move on to the next step. Now we're going to draw the face of the pufferfish. It's just going to be a smiling face. So just center it in between the line. And then we're going to draw the mouth and shade the top part of it. And then I'm going to draw some fin. The fins on the right and on the left side. And then a little tail in the back. And then we're going to draw some lines on the fins and on the tail. And I erased my fin a little bit because it's too close to the spike, so I just rearranged it. So draw your lines on your fin and on the tail. So now I'll start shading the upper part of the mouth, and then now we're gonna outline. So I'm gonna outline the spikes first and then connect the lines around it. So like always, we're gonna be using a thicker pen if you have a marker. And then let's just copy what I'm doing right now. Just trace the lines that you drew. And then for the eyes and for the lines in the fin, you can use a thinner pen if the thicker pen is too wide for it. So I shaded the upper mouth, and then I'm gonna put some lines in the fins. So after outlining our pufferfish, now we're gonna proceed to the coloring. So we're gonna be using a yellow. So get your yellows ready. We're gonna use a bright yellow for this. So I'm just swatching which yellow I would like to use. So I'm trying to find which is the best yellow. It's like a bright sun yellow. So just color your pufferfish. Color the spikes, the fins, and the tail. This is gonna be easy coloring, just a basic. And then we're gonna draw the mouth, just a dark pink, and then we're gonna shade. So a darker shade of yellow for the fins, the lower fin and the lower belly of the pufferfish, the lower fins, and we're gonna color the darker yellow in the back spikes, the spikes at the back. And then that's our drawing for today. I'll be including a time lapse. I hope you enjoyed that. I thought it turned out pretty cute. This video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more doodle videos and drawings and art videos, please subscribe to my art channel, Shekainah Art. The details is in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.